Hello, we are from Gokula Education Society, College of Engineering. We are presenting in front of you final year project. Our project name is Smart Electrostatic Precipitator. My name is Deepali Sonole.
My name is Shweta Arangai.
My name is Poonam Shinde.
An electrostatic precipitator is an filtration device which is used to remove the fine particle like dust and smoke from the flowing gases by inducing the force of electrostatic charge. The basic process underlying the ESP operation, the pollutant gases, the pollutant particle from the flowing gases which is electrically charged, usually negatively charged, which causes them to migrate towards and attach themselves to the electrode, collection electrode, which is positively charged.
The components of an ESP are discharge electrode, control unit of an ESP, control circuit, exhaust fan, and flyback converter. First, we will start with our discharge electrode. This is our discharge electrode. Discharge electrode, it imparts the negative electric charge to the gas particles in a gas stream. Inside the discharge electrode, there is a small diameter wire which hangs vertically inside the tubes. Next is the collection electrode. Collection electrode, it collects the charged particles and they have a charge opposite to that of the discharge electrode. This is a flyback converter. Flyback converter is used for high voltage step-up transformer and they step up to the 10 to 12 kV volt. In the operation of electrostatic precipitator, a high voltage DC current is applied to the discharge wire, negatively charging it. Voltage to the discharge electrode is increased until the corona is produced around the discharge wire. As particle laden flue gases are passes through the discharge wire, through the corona power, particles in the flue gases becomes negatively charged. Because of the discharge electrodes are negatively charged and collection electrodes are positively charged, a strong electric field will be created between them, which propels the particles in flue gases towards the collection electrode, where particles attach to the collection electrodes. After that, the discharge electrode and collection electrodes are wrapped or sprayed, which causes the particles attached to the discharge electrode and collection electrodes falls into waters. Now let us see the actual working of ESP. This is a control unit. This is a power switch which is used to power on the ESP. Second button is auto switch. Third and fourth button is used to control the gas flow.
Speed water.
Now let's see the working of ESP. First we will give the input smoke to the ESP.
Here the power is off and smoke is still coming out of an ESP. Smoke is still coming out of ESP. And now we will on the ESP. By switching on the ESP, the smoke gets invisible.
पुन्हा आपण ऑफ करूया त्याला ESP पॉवर ऑन बटन बंद करूया. फॅन राहू द्यायचा होता. स्मोक दिसते बघ.
Now again we have switch off the power. Now the smoke is then still coming out.
ऑन कर. बंद झालं.
Smoke gets invisible.